Hey Hoopers, my name is Emily Schaefer. I'm the instructor for this course, and I'm also the head women's basketball coach at College of Marin. Thank you all for taking this course this spring. I know we had all intended for it to be an activity class where we were engaging with each other and playing basketball. However, transitioning to the online format, this will be our main form of communication. So I wanted to take the time to introduce myself and give you a glimpse at the face behind the screen, hopefully to give you a little bit more personality and give you a better understanding of also what we're looking for throughout the next 8 weeks. You should have by now gone through Module 0 and the orientation, as well as read through the syllabus, and in our last slide, just taken a look at what the assignments and expectations are for our course. Our intention is to make you a more well-rounded basketball player. Our expectation is that while you have the time to do so, in addition to learning valuable material in this course that are going to help you on as well as off the court, we're hoping that you take some time this spring to get out, get some exercise, and work on your fundamentals. Basketball players become great in the spring and summertime. So we need to take the time that's been given to us now and make sure that we are taking advantage and putting ourselves in a position to be successful for next season. With that being said, I think that some of the most important things for everyone right now is we have to focus on staying healthy. Part of staying healthy is you need to make sure that you're getting an adequate amount of sleep, eating well, and also getting out and getting exercise. So in the course, we've included individual ball handling workouts, individual shooting workouts, and then also weight workouts for you as an option that you can do during this time. It's our expectation, especially for some of our collegiate returning players and those of you expecting to transfer on next fall, it is imperative that you continue to enhance your skills and abilities to be ready for next year. As far as the course, I'm excited to get to know all of you. So this week, the next assignment you have is your discussion board posts where we'll get to know each other a little bit better. So please make sure that you're participating and contributing meaningful engagement. I want this to be a forum where we all feel comfortable and we're learning about each other. It's only going to enhance our experience as we go on throughout the weeks. So lastly, welcome. Thank you for taking the course, and get out there and work out. Get your heart rates up, and we'll get ready for a great spring semester. Thank you so much.